In this lesson, we'll demonstrate how OptiPlan adjustments can be used to address year-to-year variations that might occur in a retirement plan. Many of the scenario elements are recurring values. They either remain constant for the entire duration of the plan or for a specified range of years. But there will frequently be a need to address deviations from these planned amounts. The Adjustments feature makes it easy to work these deviations into the plan. Here are some common examples of how you might use adjustments. In the scenario definition, you can create tax rate adjustments to override the tax rates automatically calculated by OptiPlan. You could change the salary in the client's final working year in anticipation of a retirement bonus. You could reduce the client's salary in their last year of work, anticipating a mid-year retirement. You could reduce the client's Social Security in their first year of retirement, anticipating a mid-year retirement. You can enter additions to the client's 401k in the remaining years before retirement. You could enter expected payments from a trust fund to one of the bank accounts. You could withdraw money from a bank account to pay for an upcoming wedding. Or you can make adjustments to simulate the conversion of a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. When you create adjustments, they automatically get factored into the plan at the appropriate point in the calculations. For scenario elements that allow adjustments, click the Adjustment button when editing the element to open the Adjustments interface. This interface will list any adjustments that you have already defined for the current element. To create a new adjustment, just enter the adjustment options into the fields at the top of the form and click the Save button. To remove an adjustment that you have already created, find it on the list, then click the Trash Can button next to the item. There's currently no option to revise an existing adjustment. If you need to make changes, just delete the existing adjustment and create a new one. The available adjustments will vary based on the type of element you are adjusting. The Adjustment Type pick list will define which options you have for the current element. The available adjustment types are as follows. For managed stock accounts and bank accounts, use a deposit to add money to the account balance, or use a withdrawal to increase the calculated withdrawal amount. For Social Security, use Replace to set an alternate Social Security income for a year. For income streams, use Replace to set a specific income for the account, or use Increase to withdraw an additional amount above the specified income, or use Decrease to reduce the specified income. For taxes, use Replace to set an override tax rate for a specified year or range of years. And for expenses, use Increase to bump up the normal expenses for the year, or Decrease to reduce the normal expenses for the year, or use Replace to change the year's expenses to a new amount. Here are some examples to help you understand how adjustments work. Your client expects a yearly Social Security income of $20,000, but he plans to retire 6 months after the plan anniversary date in 2 years. In this case, you'll create a replacement option for that client's Social Security element in the year of retirement and set the amount to $10,000. This amount will be used in place of the normal $20,000 income in that year. Or your clients expect to have the additional expense of a $10,000 vacation trip for their 50th anniversary. You would create an expense addition for that year with the amount set to $10,000. This amount will be added to the client's expected expenses for that year. Or you know that in the first year of the plan, the client will have sizable deductions for charitable contributions. You can manually set the tax rate in that year to override the standard tax calculations. Between all the options available on the elements and the adjustments you can make to the elements, most of the situations you encounter with your clients should be covered. If you do encounter a situation that OptiPlan can't handle, please use the Contact Us form on the OptiPlan website to submit a help request. Explain the situation you're trying to model, and we'll let you know if there's a way to handle it with the existing functionality of the application. If it can't be handled, we'll consider adding the functionality for a future release. Our website can be found at www.retirewithoptiplan.com.